Hey, fifth graders. Let's take a look at some of the steps for adding fractions. Let's say that I have a fraction like 5 1/3 plus 4 2/3. The first thing that I need to do when I'm adding fractions is I need to separate out the parts of my problem. I'm going to put the whole numbers, 5 plus 4, on one side, and I'm going to put the fraction, 1/3 plus 2/3, on the other side. And I'm going to solve them separately, and then bring them together at the end. 5 plus 4 is 9, and I can leave that alone. 1/3 plus 2/3 is 3/3. 3/3 is the same as 1. So now I can do 9 plus 1 to get the answer to my problem, which is 10. 5 1/3 plus 4 2/3 is 10. Of course, not every problem is that easy. Let's take a look at a harder one. Let's say that I have 2 9/10 plus 1 4/5. I'm going to follow the same initial step, and I'm going to separate out my mixed numbers to have a whole number on one side and a fraction on the other. 2 plus 1, 9/10 plus 4/5. We can't add fractions that don't have a common denominator, so we find a common denominator of 10, and we now have 9/10 plus 8/10. Remember, when adding fractions, you only add the numerator and not the denominator, so my denominator stays the same. 9 plus 8 is 17. So I have an improper fraction of 17 over 10. 10 goes into 17 one time, with 7 over 10 remaining. Now I can look back over here. I have 3 plus this 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 for my whole numbers, and my fraction is 7 over 10. 2 9/10 plus 1 4/5 equals 4 7/10. I hope this helps you with your math.